Yes. So now we start with the questions related to the inverse of a matrix. The first question: if A is a square matrix whose first row is 1, 10x, minus 10x and 1, then show that A transpose into A inverse is equals to cos 2x minus sin 2x and cos x. So first we start the first question. In this first question, A this matrix, how we can find the transpose? The transpose of the matrix, we interchange the rows and column. First row is changed into first column and second row is changed into second column. So first we find out its transpose. Then after this, how we can find out the inverse of this matrix? To find out the inverse, first we find out the determinant of A. And the determinant of A, 1 minus 1 plus tan square x. Then after this, how we can find out the adjoint? In 2 by 2 square matrix, how we can find out the adjoint? We interchange the diagonal elements and change the sign of the non-diagonal elements. Interchange the diagonal element and sign of the non-diagonal elements. Then we find out the adjoint of the matrix. Then A inverse 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. Then A inverse equals to 1 upon 1 plus tan square x into adjoint of A this. We find out the value of A inverse. Then after this, what is the left hand side? Left hand side is A transpose into A inverse. We start the A transpose. A transpose is this. And A inverse is this. 1 upon 1 plus tan square x is common. Now we multiply these two matrices. 1 minus tan square x, then minus tan x and minus tan x. We multiply these two. Then after this, now 1 upon 1 plus tan square x multiply with each element, then we get this part. And what about this? 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x cos 2x. 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x minus sin 2x. 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x sin 2x and cos 2x. This is the right hand side. Now we start with the second question. If A is a square matrix whose elements are 3, 2 and 7, 5, and B is a square matrix whose elements are 6, 7 and 8, 9, then verify that AB whole inverse equals to B inverse into A inverse. So first we solve for the left hand side. First we find out the product of AB. A is this and B is this. Multiply these two, then we find out the AB. Then after this, determinant of AB, and we know that the determinant of AB is always equals to determinant of A into determinant of B. Determinant of A 15 minus 14, determinant of B 54 minus 56, 1 minus 2, that is minus 2, which is not equals to 0. Therefore the matrix is inversible. Then after this, how we can find out the adjoint of AB? In case of adjoint of AB, we interchange the diagonal element and change the sign of the non-diagonal element. That is the adjoint of AB. Then how we can find out AB whole inverse? 1 upon determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. 1 upon determinant of AB is minus 2 and adjoint of AB is this. So this is the left hand side. The value of AB whole inverse is this. For the right hand side, we find out B inverse into A inverse. So first we find out the A inverse. A is this. So the determinant of A 1, adjoint of again interchange the diagonal element and change the sign of the non-diagonal elements. So what about A inverse? Similarly we find out A inverse. Similarly B is the matrix this. Determinant of B 54 minus 56 minus 2, adjoint of B, change the diagonal elements and change the sign of the non-diagonal elements. Then the B inverse equals to 1 upon minus 2 into adjoint of B. Then after this we find out the B inverse into A inverse. What is the value of B inverse? B inverse is minus 1 by 2, 9 minus 7 minus 8, 6. And A inverse is 5 minus 2, minus 7 and 3. Minus 1 by 2 as it is. Now we multiply these two matrices, then we get this part. And now we check this is also equals to the left hand side. And the question number 3, show that the matrix A 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 satisfy the equation a square minus 4a minus 5i3 equals to 0. Satisfy this equation, and hence means by using the result this we find out the a inverse. So first we find out a square. A square is equals to a into 8. Now we multiply these two matrices, then we get a square equals to 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. Then the left hand side is a square minus 4a minus 5i3. Put the value of a square minus 4a as it is minus 5i. Now we add these three matrices. By addition these two, these three, we get the 0. Therefore we satisfy a square minus 4a minus 5i3 equals to 0. From this result we find out the a inverse. Now in the left cancellation, whole equation multiplied by a inverse. A inverse a square is इतना है a into a minus 4 a inverse into a minus 5 a inverse into y. So a inverse into a, we know that any matrix multiplied by its inverse, then we get the unit matrix. Unit matrix. Then any matrix multiplied by unit matrix, then we get the matrix as it is. So a minus 4i equals to 5a inverse. So what about a inverse? 1 upon 5, a minus 4 is 3. 1 upon 5, the value of a minus 4i3. Simplified, then we get the value of a inverse. Okay.